10 tips about how to clean the fridge with natural ingredients, Part 1. 1. Mix water and vinegar to clean the surface of the refrigerator. Vinegar can help remove bad odors in the refrigerator. 2. Use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean the inside of the refrigerator. Baking soda can help absorb strong odors. 3. Put some lime wedges in the fridge to help get rid of the bad smell. 4. Mix water and baking soda to remove the smell attached to the plastic in the refrigerator. 5. Use dish soap to remove the smell that sticks to bottles and cans in the refrigerator. See you at Part 2.